Listen to my instruction. Tonight, you are going to draw together sa inyong good friends. So, karon mag-drawing mo kuyog sa inyong good friends and related sa atong story last week. Sabot?
Yes.
Mag-drawing mo kuyog sa inyong good friends. Unsa inyong buhaton, unsa inyong bonding moments sa inyong good friends. Related na siya sa story last week. Okay? Then, sa ubos sa inyong drawing, inyong suwatan o gamay nga sentence. Kinsay ngan sa imong good friend. Unsay inyong gibuhat, imong gikuan sa inyong drawing. Ha? Okay?
Yes.
Start now. Okay, students, show me your drawing. Liza, unsa man imong kuan sa imong friend, good friend?
We love to play volleyball.
Okay. Ili?
We love to play hula hoop.
Oh, okay, hula hoop. Julian?
We love to play badminton.
Okay, badminton. Pan Julian. Imojiel?
Me and Jacob, we love to play basketball and batulata.
Okay, batulata and basketball. Jacob, show me your drawing first.
Jacob and Jade love to watch TV.
Watching TV. Oh, Prince.
Friends and Arjun want to play campfire.
Oh, campfire. Jade?
We love eating.
Oh, eating. Sana mutambok.
We love to play badminton outside.
Oh, badminton also kang Nicole.
So now group 2 will present their yell with regards of the story entitled The Legend Bee. So please start.
1, 2, 3, go. Boom! Give way. Group 2 is underway. Boom! Give way. Group 2 is underway. Boom! Give way. Group 2 is underway. Who are we? We are the group 2. Hey, hey. We are the group 2. Hey, hey. We are the group 2. Hey, hey. We are the group 2. Hey. Are you ready, guys? Yes, we are ready. I can't hear you. Yes, we are ready. Ready, pasa, ready. Ready, pasa, ready. Go, go, group 2. These 3 words are the ways in order for us to succeed. What are those words? Determine, determine, determine. Determine, determine, determine. Persevered, persevered, persevered. Persevered, persevered, persevered. Diligence, diligence, diligence. Diligence, diligence, diligence. When we are determined, persevered, and diligent, we are able to succeed and reach our dreams. When we are determined, persevered, and diligent, we are able to succeed and reach our dreams. Go, 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 go. You can do it, you can make it. Go, go, fighting!
Okay, very good. So clap your hands. You did a great job. Okay? So, kinahanglan lang jud ang bata is determined and have perseverance in all the obstacles in life and every challenges. So keep fighting and focus for your ambitions and dreams in life. Okay, pakpakin yung kagalingon. Yay! Okay, thank you. Mao na to. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay.
Ako si Maria Clara. Ako ay nag-iisang anak ni na Doña Pia Alba at Kapitan Tiago. Ako ay kilala sa lipunan, hinahangaan ng karamihan dahil sa aking taglay na kagandahan. Ako ay may katangiang mahinhin, maganda, masunurin at mapagmahal. Ako ay madalas inilarawan bilang isang mistisa, bilog ang mga mata at may matangos na ilong. Sa mapupula kong labi at matingkad kong ngiti na umaabot hanggang langit ay nabihag ko ang puso na Ibarra. Sa gabi hindi ako makatulog, hindi dahil sa takot na magpakasal ako kay Linares, ngunit sa takot na magpakasal ako sa lalaking hindi ko naman minahal. Hindi ko gusto ang magpakasal. May iniisip akong tao. Ito ba ay si Cristomo? Oo! Ikaw nga! Ikaw ang pinakamamahal ko. Pero paano ito? Ayoko makasal kay Linares. Patawarin mo sana ako sa aking pagpapakasal ni Linares. Pumayag lamang ako dahil gusto kitang ilayo sa kapahamakan. Patawarin mo sana ako. Tandaan mo na lamang na sa buhay kong ito, ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin at wala nang iba pa. Matapos niya akong yakapin sa kanyang unti-unting paglalayo, ay para bang nadudurog ang aking puso. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya makikita o makakausap or baka hindi na. Kinabukasan ay narinig ko na lamang sa radyo. Teka, patay na si Cristomo? Hindi. Hindi ito maaari. Hindi. Hindi. Ito ang pinakamalungkot na nangyari sa buhay ko. Ang pinakamamahal kong si Ibarra ay nawala na. Iniwan niya ako. At ako na lamang ay nag-iisa.